Yeah. Nice, nice. Thank you, thank you.
Oo.
May tanong po.
Ano yun?
Ano po yung reaction nyo sa naging reaction ni Paolo dun sa debate nyo? Like,
Well, mostly okay naman ako sa reaction ni Paulul. Pwera na lang dun sa may mga wala yata siyang access sa buong debate eh. I think wala siyang access sa buong debate kaya marami siyang hindi alam. Like for example, ando naman narinig naman yan na nag-cite ako ng citation. Pero parang sinabi niya na well, hindi niya naman sinabing wala akong citation. Ang sinasabi niya lang is hindi naman ibig sabihin na may citation ka or may reference ka ay yun na yun. Yun na yung ending. Yun na yung panalo ka na. Hindi ganun eh. You have to argue it. Tama siya doon. Tapos, meron siyang isang assumption na mali yung sa control, yung tungkol sa control. He made an assumption I never made. Sinasabi niya kasi nagbigay ako ng assumption. Sabi ko, hindi ako nagbigay ng assumption. Pero the rest, he actually expounded on our argument. Maganda yung ano niya, sabi niya.
Sir Tayo, may question ulit ako. Hindi ko alam bakit ganun yung from the other side. Parang di ba sila makaano ng analogy? Like yung sa...
Oo nga, problema nga nila yung PE, no? Buti napansin nga niya yan.
Hindi, I don't think that they are not capable of understanding analogy. What they are incapable of is being honest with themselves that other arguments or other perspective exist. Kasi pag ginawa nila yon, mawawalan sila ng paano ba? Yung value nila doon sa group nila, which is yung belief na yon, mawawalan ng hold or halaga para sa kanila. And yun yung kadalasang problema ng mga nasa partisanship. Yung pinaglalaban nila pag nawala, nagiging ano sila, parang walang identity yung grupo nila. Yun.
Kasi I think ang idea nila sa analogy is dapat parehas eh. 'Di ba? Sabi ko, kung parehas yung analogy, edi hindi na yung analogy kasi parehas eh. Gets mo ba? Analogy nga, it must be different pero yung mga relevant similarities is nandoon. Think about it this way. If I actually make an analogy about God, like gravity, law, right? Sabihin, teka, mali yung analogy mo. Why are you comparing God with gravity? No, I'm not comparing him. I'm just making you understand through analogy. Gets mo yun? Hindi ko pinapalitan si God ng gravity.
But that kind of argument is just like false equivocation, right?
No, it's not. Kung may
When
kung may
you're going
relevant
to
similarities ka,
compare, yeah, but when you're going to compare God to gravity, that's false equivocation because you cannot compare a metaphysical thing to actually law of nature.
no, because I'm talking about the law. So that's a similarity.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya kino-compare as being.
Oo, tama. Hindi siya comparison.
Ino-compare siya dun sa logic, hindi mo sa ano.
Yeah, hindi siya false equivalence kasi hindi ko naman kino-compare yung gravity as a being. Kino-compare ko siya as a law.
Ah.
Law.
Just use the same logic.
The law of God.
Does the law of God exist?
What do you mean exist?
Like what you're talking, like the law of God.
Well, una-una you have to differentiate exist and reality.
Exactly. What kind of law you're talking about?
No, you have to distinguish first ano yung reality and do you have distinction sa reality and existence?
Like our reality, not metaphysical reality, but like reality, material naturalistic reality.
Yeah, I think you're confusing a lot of things. Ito, question ko sa'yo. The law of gravity, does that exist?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Sige, show it to us. How does it exist?
In naturalistic way.
How?
When someone like the gravity, like the equations of the gravity, if you have a mass definitely you're gonna fall.
But you're talking about the
That's
effect, not the existence of gravity.
Yeah, but that's the explanation of gravity.
Yeah, that's the explanation of gravity, but gravity doesn't exist in that explanation. You're just describing the effect of gravity, correct?
Example.
But I'm curious tuloy. Question, isn't the effect a proof that gravity exists?
No, that's inductive.
Yeah, but when it comes to inductive reasoning, it's either way, right? It's either way. You can agree with it, and also like it might be that's the inductive reasoning, right? It might be that's how it works.
Yeah, kaya nga, it doesn't
Exactly.
follow na it exists.
So exactly, right? So you can just the application itself, then you can say that it does exist because the application can exist.
Oh,
That's induction
let me try.
reasoning.
Teka, uulitin ko ha. Sabi mo, the law of gravity exists. Sabi mo, yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, sabi ko, okay, show it to me. How does it exist? And then, ang binigay mo sa akin explanation is the effect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what if I say this? The law of God exists, therefore God exists. Would you accept that?
Well, the thing is, we still need to find God.
Oh, that exactly. We need to still to find
Yes.
gravity, right?
Yeah. But the thing is, when it comes to gravity, we can do an we have empirical evidence that gravity exists. We
No,
can do
you
a
don't
lot
have.
of, like,
You don't have.
wait,
Even
wait.
the physics will disagree with you. That's why
Wait.
they're asking for a new theory of gravity because of quantum physics. You're wrong.
Well, when it comes to quantum physics, outside the Earth, outside in this like a very closed system, the gravity outside this Earth is different. It's not applicable, that kind of gravity outside the Earth. So we are talking about the gravity inside the Earth, because when you are going to take that gravity equation and going to apply that gravity equation into the outside of this Earth, it will gonna collapse. So,
So,
that's the kind of dilemma that they are trying to address in physics right
oh,
now.
let me ask you the questions. Sinabi mo pala na iba yung gravity sa loob ng Earth, iba yung gravity sa labas, tama ba?
Yeah, it's somehow yes. That's why they have that kind of like problem, because like how can they say that like the equations of the gravity that we are using here on Earth is applicable outside on this planet?
No.
So we don't have that kind of data. But the
Wait,
thing
wait.
is, we don't have that kind of data.
Okay.
physicists.
Let's talk about general relativity then. Yung general relativity yung relativity ba is nag-work lang sa loob ng Earth o even outside the universe?
Yeah, that's also the thing. We don't have any data that if it's work outside the Earth.
But you're willing to say na gravity exists then?
Sa
there you
dito sa
go.
Earth. Dito sa Earth, yes.
Dito sa Earth, yes, you're just talking about the effect, not gravity. Hindi ko ba nagigis yung point? What
I
you're
do
talking
get
about
your
is
point.
on Earth is the effect of gravity, not gravity.
What do you mean the effect of gravity? Can you expound the effect of gravity?
For example, Davidium ulit. Davidium. Causation. Okay. Merong billiard ball, dalawa nagbanggaan, right?
Yes.
Can you actually perceive the cause or you can just perceive the effect?
The cause and the effect.
Okay, show me the effect ng billiard ball nagbanggaan.
They bounce.
Sino bumangga? Yung isang billiard ball o yung isa?
The same. They have like
Okay.
okay. Now I get your point. So you mean yung isa lang yung bumangga. But there is a force, right?
Yeah.
There
Okay.
is a force that was like create yung bumangga sa isang bowling ball, sa isang sa ball.
Mhm.
There is a force at play.
Yeah, what caused it?
The way how ano ba? Natural lang bang bumaga or pinush mo?
Hindi, walang push na nangyari. Basta nagbanggaan sila.
So how can you like just nagbanggaan lang
Yeah. So what
yung
caused
bowling
it?
ball?
Yeah. Hindi, billiard ball.
Yung billiard ball. Like nasa table sila, nagbanggaan lang sila without any action, without any forces.
Yeah. What caused it? Kahit may force pa. O sabihin natin sa reality. You cannot actually perceive the cause. You can only perceive the effect. That's my point.
Mm-mm.
I don't get your point. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, read David Hume. Kasi, yung sinasabi mo kasi, gravity exists sa Earth. Pero sa outside, hindi mo alam, right? Sabi mo?
Yes.
Okay, ang sinasabi mo is kino-conflate mo yung idea yung effect ng gravity sa Earth, hindi yung existence ng gravity. Kasi ang question ko is, does gravity exist?
Uh-huh.
Sabi mo, well, because of the effect, we can infer that there's gravity. No, not necessarily, because even quantum physics are asking for a new theory of gravity because their theory doesn't work sa
Quantum
gra-
realm.
ano ng gravity natin ngayon. They're
Yeah,
asking for another.
exactly. Because like classical physics is not already applicable to the when we are talking about the black hole, right? That's why they are working out a new data, uh, new data to be applicable in that kind of field. Kasi nga yung classical physics lang ang applicable natin, meron tayo ngayon.
Okay, pero why did you infer that there's gravity? Bakit di mo pwedeng infer na mali yung theory nila sa gravity, therefore there's no gravity?
What? Who said there is no gravity?
Because
Who said
the
there is?
theory is wrong. They're asking
No,
for
no,
another
no.
one.
No. Ang tinutukoy ko lang dito is I cannot say that there is gravity. Yung applicability ng gravity natin dito is applicable siya how we do it outside in this earth, on this planet.
Pero ang ginagawa mo nga is nilo-localize mo. So ibig sabihin, hindi universal ang gravity. Ganun ba?
There is somehow, they say there is somehow gravity outside on this planet, but the thing is we don't know how it works.
Exactly. That's my point.
Yeah, that's also my point. But the thing here, ang tinutukoy ko na gravity is dito sa Earth. I'm not talking about outside in this Earth because we don't have data on it yet.
What do you mean? Wala tayong
Wala pa
data pero
tayong
may
mga
data ka dito sa Earth.
So, do you mean the physicists already have data about like how the gravity works outside?
They
in
have
this Earth?
theories.
Only theories, but we don't have data. We don't have data yet.
I know, that's my point. That's why
Exactly.
can
That's
you say
also
it
my
exists?
point. No, you are just like asking me about how the gravity works outside on this earth, and I already told you I don't know how it
No,
works because
dito tayo
we
nagsimula.
only have
Okay? Dito tayo
on
nagsimula.
this planet.
Nagsimula tayo, are you making a distinction with reality and existence? Right? Then tinanong kita, does gravity exist? The law of gravity exists? Sabi mo, yes. Okay, so you can prove it. Ang point ko lang dito is there's a distinction between what is real and what exists. All that exists is real, but not all real exists.
Uh-huh.
Do you agree with that?
I do agree with that.
Okay, if we're talking about God exists, what do you mean? Immaterial?
Immaterial, I don't know. I'm an atheist.
I know. I can sense that nung umpisa pa lang. But my question is, do you agree na the law of gravity is real but it doesn't exist?
How can you say that there is a law, but the thing is it doesn't exist? It does exist.
No, but it is real. Like numbers. Does number exist?
Yes,
It does?
it does.
Show me.
It is
Wait,
it is a concept.
Siguro ang hindi nyo mapagkasunduan ngayon is yung plane ng existence nung pinag-uusapan nyo. So,
Exactly. Kaya nga, anong distinction? May distinction ka ba? Kasi when you say, does God exist? I don't know what you mean by existence. What do you mean?
yes, maybe doon muna tayo magkasundo. What kind of plane are we trying to talk about existence? Ako na mag-ano, ako na mag...
Exactly, metaphysical.
Ba-moderate.
Exactly,
Yung hindi
right?
nagawa
What
ni
kind of
Ishi,
plane?
gawin mo.
What kind of like what kind of like lens are we talking about? Metaphysical, physical, material, natural?
Kaya nga ako nagtatanong sa'yo, when you say exist, what do you mean by it? Are you making a distinction with it within sa reality, what is real or what exists? Because a lot of things are real but don't exist. And
Hindi.
of course, necessarily follow that everything that exists is real.
No, everything that exists is real.
Correct.
So everything that exists, so it means that God exists, therefore that God is real. That's your conclusion.
Or God is real, therefore God exists. Pwede yun, right?
Okay. Now, give me an evidence. Where does this God existed?
Okay, anong ang evidence yung sinasabi mo? Kasi pag sinasabi mong
Yes,
exist, di
because
ba? Parang
you
ang
are
dinidemand
claiming.
mo.
No,
Wait, ako muna,
wait kayo. Wait
Ako muna,
kayo.
muna. Tama
Wait
ba?
kayo.
Na kapag
Wait
ka,
kayo.
wait lang.
kayo.
Wait lang,
You
Exist,
have a
exist. Ako
claim.
muna.
Moderator,
Ako muna,
moderator.
tatanungin ko muna.
Break muna.
Tatanungin ko muna para
Sige,
sure.
sige.
Para sure ako.
Muna.
Kapag sinabi mong exist, ano ba yung sinasabi mo? Nag-occupy ng space, matter, and time?
Yes, yan muna yung pagkasunduan natin. Yung
Okay.
plane of existence. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, you have the claim, right? You are the one who's claiming. If therefore, if there is something that exists, therefore, if there is an existence, ano nga yung claim mo? Pakiulit nga. You have the claim here.
Hindi lahat ng real ay nag-exist. Pero lahat ng nag-exist ay real.
Okay. Therefore, God exists.
No. Sinasabi ko lang distinction. Kasi ikaw yung
Distinction.
nag-question, di ba? Ikaw yung
Okay.
nag-question.
So ano yung example mo? What was your example again?
Wait lang. Wala pa rin kayong na pagkakasunduan na
Sa existence.
plane of existence. Please can you first magkasundo tayo doon para alam natin kung ano yung pinagtatalunan natin. Plane of existence muna, Miss Beauty.
Me, most likely, I'm leaning to physical material naturalist.
Okay, good.
Physical material. So, anything that exists to you occupies space, matter, and time, right?
Yes.
Okay, there's no existence of anything else aside from that occupies space, matter, and time, correct?
That doesn't
Oh.
occupy.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, if you're demanding for the existence of God, the proof of existence of God, what you're demanding is actually the evidence that occupies space, matter, and time, right?
Ordinary evidence.
Correct.
What?
Selectables.
Or
Correct.
ordinary evidence, yeah.
Yeah, like repetitive evidence, which you can, for example, it's repetitive. You can see it, you can feel it. Like most likely, it has what's kind of this sa science na meron siyang physicality.
May physicality nga. So, ibig sabihin, yung God na ina-expect mo is hindi immaterial, right?
No, because I don't believe in God. So how can
Exactly.
you say
So,
that
how can you ask the
immaterial?
question then?
So exactly, we are talking about the physical lens, material lens, naturalistic lens. So how can I
Yeah,
jump
that's
up
how you
into
view the world. Pero how can you
exactly
demand for
how
the
can I
evidence?
jump up into immaterial metaphysical world when you say God exists, which in fact your God only exists in a metaphysical world? I cannot
No,
jump into
that's
that
not
because
that's not
my
my claim.
worldview.
That's not my claim. That's your claim.
No. Yeah, exactly. That's my claim. But
Correct.
I cannot jump into immaterial world, which is your God exists
Okay,
now.
okay.
So
Okay.
how can I view in that lens? I cannot view in that lens because that's
Kilaro
not my lens.
ko lang. Sabi mo kasi, existence. Gusto ko lang iklaro ano ibig mo sabihin sa existence, right? Kung ibig mo sabihin sa existence, that actually occupies space, matter, and time, then I can give you one. Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm.
He is my God, right?
He is your God, okay?
Correct? Does he exist?
According to your Bible,
So, you are denying the historicity of Jesus Christ. Jesus of Nazareth had 12 disciples, executed by Pontius Pilate, died on the cross. On the third day, the tomb was empty. You're denying that.
yes.
Okay. So ngayon, dinideny mo yung existence ni Christ in history. Tama ba?
There is in history there was like
No, I'm
Jesus-
asking you. Ayoko
Yeah,
sa history,
wait.
sa'yo.
Okay. Yes, I do deny that the divinity of Jesus Christ, he is a divine Jesus Christ. I do deny that because in the history.
No, the existence. I'm just talking.
Let me just could you let me finish?
Kasi hindi, nilalayo mo yung topic eh.
No, let me just finish with my with my premise. Is that okay with you?
Sure. Okay.
Wag ka, relax ka lang kayo, okay? Relax ka lang.
Pero hindi, gusto ko lang malaman muna kung dinideny mo yung sinasabi kong Jesus of Nazareth at 12 disciples
Yes, I
executed
already
by
said
Pontius
I do
Pilate.
deny
Okay na
the
tayo kung
Jesus of
dinideny mo.
Nazareth. Yes. But
Sige,
the thing
let
is,
Beauty finish muna.
yeah, but the thing is, when we are talking about history, the history, it says there is someone that the name Jesus existed. But the thing is, he is not divine. Okay? In the history, the Jesus name was very common at that time. So the divinity is at question. So I do in history, yes, maybe there is someone
No. Wait. Sorry, Beauty.
Lumayo.
Lumayo kang bigla eh.
Ibang Jesus yun eh.
Kaya nga, ang
No,
tinutukoy
ulitin ko yung
dito,
tanong. Ulitin ko yung tanong.
I disagree na merong divinity si Jesus, but the
No,
thing
that's not my
is,
question.
okay, what was your question again?
May bilanggit ba ako sa Jesus na sinabi ko na may divinity? May bilanggit ba ako? Wala.
Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus
Okay,
of Nazareth
ulitin ko
has
yung
a
tanong, ha?
divine power, right?
Ulitin ko yung tanong.
Wait.
Hindi, teka,
Does
ulitin ko
Jesus-
kasi layo mo na eh.
Wait, let me just ask you this question. Does Jesus of Nazareth doesn't have any divinity
No,
in him?
teka lang. Huwag mo tayo lumayo sa existence. Huwag mo tayo lumayo sa existence kasi sabi mo
Okay.
existence, okay, space, matter, and time eh. Okay.
So, yun
Ulitin
na
ko yung
nga.
tanong.
Yun na nga.
Ulitin ko
Wait
yung tanong.
lang.
Ako muna,
Okay.
tapos ka na naman eh. Ako na. Ulitin ko yung tanong. Do you deny the existence in history of Jesus of Nazareth, had 12 disciples, executed by Pontius Pilate, crucified sa cross, and on the third day, the tomb was empty? Are you
Yes.
denying that?
Yes.
O ibig sabihin, dinideny mo yung existence ni Jesus of Nazareth, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so ngayon, bakit mo dinideny?
Because I don't believe I don't believe in the narrative of the Bible. It
No,
was
we're talking about historians.
yeah.
Wala pang
I
Bible na
do not believe
Wala pa
in
tayo
it.
sa Bible.
Kaya
Wala
nga,
pang Bible
it
na
was
yan.
written 300 years after he died.
So, ibig
So, I do
sabihin,
not believe on that.
Josephus, Tacitus,
Yes, I
Bible
do
yun?
not believe in the Bible. Yes.
No, that's not the Bible. Josephus and Tacitus, Bible
I
yun?
do not believe, yes. I do not believe.
Oh, so ibig sabihin, I can also say na I don't believe you have a grandma in the 15th century.
You can say that.
Oh, there you go. As long as you deny your own grandma in the 15th century, we're good.
But the thing is, you are talking about the existence ha, kasi nga you are talking about your God, right? You are talking about God. Your God has a divinity. It has like something transcendental within him. But the thing is, my grandma doesn't have any transcendental within her. You are talking about your God.
Not her.
No,
I
my
think-
grandma. My grandma.
Ah, okay. Pero
So-
okay na ako. Actually, you just denied your own great grandma in the 15th
No,
century.
the
We're
thing
good. I think
is-
we're good.
Well, the thing is, ganito kasi kayo eh. Meron kasing divinity yung
No,
pinupursing
hindi ako
ng
nagkas ng divinity.
Existence lang.
I see. Yung pinagtatalunan nyo is sabi nga ni Kayo, existence nung tao in history, wala pang tinatawag na divinity or powers or whatnot. So,
Wala pa tayo
yung-
doon.
Yeah, yun yung
Wala.
pinupunto. If the person exists, yun pa lang yung pinagtatalunan nyo. Well, I think if it exists, then most likely yun yung pinagkukuhanan ni Kayo ng argument ngayon. And Beauty, yung ano naman, yung ina-argue mo naman is yung divine power or being God ng Jesus na may 12 disciples and
Yes, because kasi nga ang sinasabi,
Yes.
ang
Wala pa.
description niya, it's wait
Wala.
lang. Kayo, wait lang
Hindi
kayo.
ako yun. Si Bill Extreme yun.
Ano
Hindi ako
muna
yun.
ako kay. Pwede
Wait lang kayo, kung
Masyado kang defensive kayo. Wait lang kayo. Defensive kang masyado eh. Kasi ang tinutukoy mo kasing existence niya kanina, 'di ba? Meron siyang binigay na characteristic ng existence ng God niya, which is he was resurrected.
Yes, I agree with that.
He had this kind of
Resurrected.
Wait,
I
oh my
never
God,
said
kayo.
that.
Let
Tomb
me
empty.
finish.
Hindi, wag mo ako misrepresent. Wag mo ako
No.
misrepresent. I never said that.
Let me finish kayo. Narinig natin lahat, 'di ba? Ng characteristic ng God mo He was resurrected on the third
No.
day. He
La-
has a disciple.
I never said that. I'm sorry,
Wait lang.
Beauty.
Wait lang.
Rewind mo to. I never said
Sige,
that.
sige. Iko-correct ko. Yes, ang sinabi ni Kayo exactly is the tomb was empty. For whatever reason the tomb is empty, we do not know yet. Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yon. Okay na?
Okay,
Align
sige.
kayo?
Let's
Okay,
say
sige,
the tomb was empty, right? The tomb was empty at that moment. And then, he has a disciple. Meron siyang mga karakteristik na binigay yung ano niya. So, it means we are talking about the divine. Kasi nga, kung wala yun, it means na walang divinity. Yung ganyan, nag-exist lang siya. Nag-exist lang yung Jesus Christ. Di ba? It's not God at all.
Okay, so
Lord, kung dinideny mo na nga yung historicity ni Christ, ni Jesus, hindi tayo pag-uusapan kasi dininay mo na rin naman yung great grandma mo in the 15th century. So, okay lang ako. As long as you can deny your great grandma in the 15th century, I think we're good.
But
Hindi,
the thing is, go ahead, Punay.
hindi, sige. I will try to align both of you muna. Again, yung interpretation kasi ni Beauty doon sa tomb is empty is actually divine. Yun na yun. Doon na nagkaroon ng disconnect na ang kala ni Beauty is since you said that the tomb is empty, then meaning that the cause of the tomb being empty is divine. So doon na kayo nagtalo. So can we realign now on how we could move forward with that kind of impasse?
Kaya nga, 'di ba? Siya mismo ang nagbigay ng karakteristik sa taong 'yon, the existence of
Hindi
Jesus
kong
Christ.
characteristic. Sige nga, paki-isa-isa.
Yung ano, sige, ito, again, i-align ko. Yung, siguro magiging yes or no question na to. Yung pagiging tomb is empty ba is characteristics of divine para sa'yo, Kayo?
No, that's just an event in history.
Okay. So, para sa kanya, Beauty, hindi yun yung sign of being divine. Event lang siya. Without the cause, it parang it just happened. So, okay ka na doon, Beauty?
Okay lang ako doon, but the thing
Okay.
is, kung ganun siya, it means na hindi God yung ano niya. Existence lang naman yung tinutukoy natin dito.
Yeah.
Yes. Existence pa lang. Okay na. So,
Pero
align
dinay
tayo
mo na
doon.
existence, so wala tayong pag-uusapan.
Tama.
Because in the first place, I don't believe in I don't believe in God.
Yeah, you don't believe in the historicity of Jesus Christ, Jesus of Nazareth, 'di ba? You don't believe that. The same way I reasoned na I don't believe your great grandma in the 15th century exists.
That,
With the
that
same
was
argument, with the same
that
reasoning.
was your claim. Actually, Kayo, that was your claim. If you're gonna assume that my grandma doesn't exist in the 15th century, and I just said maybe, that's your that's just like your what's that your conclusion. But
Like you did.
that doesn't mean na yung grandma ko hindi nag-exist, di ba?
Exactly, same argument.
Yeah, but the thing is, sa iyo kasi is meron kasing mga libro sa iyo na na meron kang pinapaniwalaan, which
I
is
didn't even mention it.
Yeah, you did not mention it, but
You
behind that
assume it, right?
behind that argument, meron kang pinanghahawakan at meron kang pinaniniwalaan.
Which is you have also that book na naturalism, right? Materialism.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the difference?
It doesn't have any divinity on it. It's
Yeah,
just
because
like
you don't believe in
natural
it.
process.
Yun nga yung point eh.
Yeah, it doesn't have any divinity of it. It doesn't have any like magic on it. It's just like pure
Yeah,
scientific,
because gravity is not magic,
philosophical.
right?
Yeah, what?
Gravity is not magic.
No, it's not. It's
Oh,
a law
yeah.
of nature.
But you don't know what it is.
It is a law of nature.
But you believe it.
Yes, because it does work.
So whatever works is true, right? What if I believe in God and the morality that binigay ng Diyos namin and it works, then God exists?
Well, that's kind of subjective take.
There you go. I think we're done here.
Yeah, but that's your subjective take, right?
Lang yung argumento mo, nagigets mo ba?
Yeah.
The thing about that is my argument is very testable. Your argument is not, 'di ba? My argument is that gravity exists. A lot of people can testify it. A lot of people can do it. It is
Yeah,
testable.
but not a lot
It
of
is
scientists
verifiable.
would say with certainty, right?
Wait lang. Masada ka naman. It is testable. It is
Okay na ako
verifiable.
kasi tininay mo naman
While
yung
your
dilemma mo. Okay na ako.
subjective experience, Kayo, I cannot devalue that. I cannot say na, oh, hindi mo yan na-experience because that is your subjective experience with your own God. We only have shared reality, di ba, Kayo? Pero yung sinasabi mong gravity, it is testable, it is verifiable. Ay, nandito na si Sensei Ilo! Matulong na, Sensei Ilo!
Teka lang. Papasab lang sana ako mag-moderate kay Sensei Ilo eh.
Hindi! Ay, Sensei Ilo!
Okay na ako. Okay na ako. Balik na tayo sa topic.
Hindi, eto in my perspective kasi, nagkakatalo kayo. Sabi nga ni Kayo, subjective ang divinity, and I agree with that. How would you interpret divinity is up to the person who's going to, perceive it. Now, siguro ang magandang ending dito, guys, is since, well, I think both of you would agree, we still have a lot of blank spaces, and somewhat doon sa blank spaces, both on the religious and the scientific, we could both, move forward together, even though we do not know.
Yeah, that's why faith yung sa amin, right? There's a reason
Yes,
for that.
Well, at some point din naman kasi, yung scientific field is, well, as much as possible, they are. I know that it's paano ba, perfection will, I think would never exist. But science is trying its best, one step at a time, to bridge the gap to the unknown.
Yeah, I agree with you with that because science is trying to explain our reality in a very like within our grasp. Yung naintindihan ng mga tao. Hindi katulad nung pag-i-explain ng isang metaphysical na ay hindi naman kaya nating i-explain yan kasi hindi natin naaarok yung pag-iisip ng Diyos. So that argument or that kind of like explanation itself is self-defeating. It's very counterintuitive, right? Because how can you say merong Diyos na hindi natin maaarok pero you're still trying so hard to explain it? Hindi mo nga maarok, di ba?
Hindi, siguro kasi eto na lang, most of the religious people actually believe in God for some reason that science cannot explain. Like for example, through hard times. Ang kadalasang kinakapitan ng tao is not science but God. So
No, it's more, yeah, the thing about that, it's just like, it's comfort. The illusion of comfort. It's not, it is. Our brain is, we are so afraid of the unknown. The thing about that is, we are so afraid of the unknown. And the thing is, kung meron tayong mga hinanakit or meron tayong mga ganon, it is a comfort. So most likely, kung saan tayo comfortable, kumakabit tayo doon. That's psychological. Simple as that.
How is it a comfort if we believe that we will be judged? I think mas comfort yun sa inyo kasi no one will judge.
No, the thing is, even if someone like, for example, right, nakagawa ka ng kasalanan, you still have redemption, di ba? You still have like, you don't have to worry about that. Maniwala ka lang sa Diyos. May pag-asa pa yan, di ba? You're always trying to say na there is always something gonna be good if you're just going to pray, di ba?
Yeah, pero sa basis ng
Mag-pray ka lang
illusion yun,
mag-pray ka lang ng mabuti. There is like something will come out, something like a positive will come out into your life. But the thing is,
pero
if
sa
you're not- if
sa
you're
worldview
just
mo, sa worldview mo is just an illusion. So, sa'yo, wala nang redemption, so you can do anything you want because when you die, nothing happens, right?
What do you mean anything we want?
Anything you want kasi wala kang kailangan pagsisihan.
So you mean like empathy and guilt is not like we don't have that just because we don't
No,
have
I'm not saying
religion?
that. Sinasabi ko lang, you can do whatever you want and you don't have to like fear God, right? So how is that comforting? Mas comforting sa inyo, right?
No, it doesn't have to be like that.
Well,
Huh?
how about this? Comfort is subjective. Do you agree?
Kinda. Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is comforting for atheists might be a different comfort for a religious person. So why not let's agree to disagree on that? Kasi we cannot force people on the preference of comfort.
Yeah, maybe.
So there you go. Woo! Happy weekend, guys.
Bye-bye!
Happy weekend. Happy weekend. Ang hirap niya i-moderate. Hindi, pero I'm happy. I'm happy that we had that kind of talk. It's I miss my days when I was actually debating that topic and yeah. I
Sir PE.
yes.
Request ng cartons.
Ano yun?
Yung lessons. Actually I'm doing that episodes before. Lessons from Cartons. Yung anime. So
Ay,
yun.
hindi ako mahilig sa anime eh. So hindi ko alam. Yung Death Note lang ang pinanood ko. Maganda pala yung Death Note na yun, no?
Ay sobra.
Nakasulat na yung pangalan mo dito, Kyle.
Ano pangalan mo? Sa
Sa libro ng Death Note, nakasulat ang pangalan mo. Good luck.
Pero
Hindi, kasi nagustuhan ko yung may nag-recommend sa akin viewer ko. Sabi ko, legit na deductive skills to Ba't ngayon ko lang ito nalaman?
Anime yan?
Oo, yung Death Note. Legit
Death
na
Note
deductive
promise
skills yun.
maganda.
Panoorin ko nga.
Hala,
Sabi ko, ang galing ni Ello.
actually nung
Actually, mas magaling siya kay Sherlock. To be honest, mas magaling siya kay Sherlock.
But, nauna siguro foundation ni LC Sherlock, pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko doon sa Death Note is there was at some point I was rooting for Light.
Gagi, parang give yun, uy. Parang give yun, Gagi.
Purist. But nung pinapanood ko kasi yung ano na yon, at some point siya yung, although morally wrong, but siya yung nakapagdala ng effect na hinahanap ng tao, which is peace.
Why do you say it was morally wrong for him to do that?
Siguro yung judgment, the judgment to kill a person
Idealist, di ba?
became personal, or yung capability to kill a person became personal. Ay pucha.
Actually, alam mo ang interpretation ko doon sa buong pelikulang yon, pelikula sa anime na yon. He's too idealistic. Parang like game. Idealistic. Pero nung dumating doon sa point na ang endanger na yung life niya, naging Machiavellian siya.
Oo.
Sabi ko, okay, kapag na-endanger na yung sarili mong survivability, you just switch from idealistic to Machiavellianism then.
Survival triggers.
Maybe he was Machiavellian from the start.
Oo. Hindi, pero kasi sa Machiavellianism, they don't actually recognize like standard of morality as morality kasi ang point dito is amoral daw ang politics, the real politic, right?
Well, it is utilitarian. It's not
Exactly.
deontological. So,
So,
the
kasi-
approach of like politics is utilitarian.
Kaya si Light is more on idealism kaysa Machiavellian siya nagsimula. Nag-switch lang siya from idealism to Machiavellianism. It's so amazing.
Bye. Sorry.
Si Light, si El, he actually died weird. He died the nerd.
Baba na ako, na-spoil na.
Ay, sorry, sure.
Oh,
Oo,
malungkot yun, di naman.
ay, nasabi ko
Pero
pala, guys.
marami. maraming ganong anime yung pinaka nakakatuwa kasi it touches philosophy and nga the
Oo, kaya
questions.
nakakatuwa actually. Nakakatuwa siya. Yun lang yung nagustuhan kong anime. Actually, mga napanood ko lang na anime, A Ghost Fighter, Reka. Ang pinaka-recent bago mamatay asawa ko, Saitama. One Punch Man. Sunod yung Death Note kasi may nag-recommend lang sa akin ko, maganda pala ito. Matagal na pala itong anime na to.
Oo. College part
Huwag
pa
tayo
lang
try
ata.
Code Geass.
Ha?
Code Geass.
Ano yun?
Anime din. Parang tinatapat kasi yung main character ng Code Geass kay Light or kay L. Death Note since pareho ng premise, matalino yung protag tapos
Oh,
chess
okay.
din ang
Maraming nagsasabi sa akin para daw ako si Lelouch ba to?
Lelouch.
Lelouch ba yun?
Lelouch.
So,
Ang weird nun,
Parang investigation din, ganon?
Not really, Sir Kayo. Ano siya? Mech anime.
May power,
War
ganon.
politics. War politics. More on politics
okay.
siya.
Okay, I will watch that. Pero meron ba yun sa mga Netflix?
ay wala sa Netflix ngayon nun.
Kasi di ba yung Death Note nasa Netflix eh?
Yes, nasa Netflix.
Nako, may pupunta sa akin, may pag-inuman, gusto ro pag-usapan yung debate, gagi.
Yung debate,
Pupunta dito.
grabe naman sila. Yung nanalo,
Gagi, hindi ko
nagpupunta.
alam, sumabog talaga daw eh. Hindi ko alam bakit. Alam mo ba ang dami nagka-picture sa akin? Nagaling TikTok?
Ah,
Alam mo, isipin mo
That's
yun,
nice,
talunan ka
that's
na,
nice.
nagka-picture pa sa'yo, no?
yeah. That's nice. At least, 'di ba? Ito na yung booming ng account mo na na-cancel
Ayoko
ka kasi
nga eh.
dati.
Ayoko nga kasi inaayos ko yung sasakyan nun, dumi ng shorts ko, tapos nagka-picture sa akin, di may picture ngayon ako na ganun, di ba? Bad trip nga eh. Pero papanoorin ko tong Code Geass na to. Ay, Code Geass. Mukhang mahilig ka sa... Bro, ano ka ba? Criminology ka ba?
Ako po ba?
Hindi, si Pinoy Extreme.
Hindi ako criminology.
Ba't ganyan yung buhok mo pala? Joke.
Grabe naman yun. Nag-lawyer na ako nung college ako. Hindi ako mukha lang akong police pero mamaya magkamalan ako
Tinatanong ko
asin.
lang, para sure, kala ko criminology ka eh.
Hindi. Pero
Ayun.
ito lang, may pag-asa pa ba tayo magkaroon ng ganyang klaseng high level show when it comes sa Philippine made telenovela?
Ayan, sila Ilu. Inagaan din naman sila eh. Sila ATS teacher, roundtable. Kasi dati meron yung alam ko, dati yung DebCon ba, Debaters Convention, pangit din kasi yung standard dun eh. Actually, mas maganda yung ginagawa ng roundtable eh. Mas maganda yung mga ganung debate.
Yeah, guys, if
Shout out yung leader ng roundtable nasa baba, si Macarios. Gusto daw umakyat, Pinoy Extreme.
Ay, sige. May gusto daw umakyat. Wait lang. Sino ang natin? May magbibigay ba sa inyo?
I-promote nyo na rin yung roundtable kasi feeling
Baba
ko
na ako,
dun yung
baba na
mga
ako.
maganda talaga sa
Baba na
maganda
po.
sa mga debate.
Thank you. Paano ba?
Baba na ako. Thank you, Sir Kayo.
Sige.
Tsaka,
Sige. Ito na.
Sandali na lang ako Paano ko lang muna si Macarios, baka mag-plug to ng niya. Siya ba may-ari ng roundtable? Okay. So, marami kayo, multiple.
Oo.
Okay.
Iba-iba.
Ay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Hello.
Madami na po akong haters,
Buti
Jex.
naman
Sir Max.
pinaway niyo yan si Beauty.
Hindi naman. Nag-moderate nga ako eh. I mean,
Alam mo, mas
Nagkasundo
magaling ang
naman sila
moderator
eh.
kaysa kay Ishi.
Ay, naninito pa rin si Kayo.
first time ko.
Hindi, ang galing mo nga for... Nag-moderate ka na ba ever? Hindi pa, di ba?
Hindi. First time ko to.
Oo.
O, di ba? Ang galing niya, di ba?
Sinasabi mo lang yan, Kayo, dahil siya ay bias sa'yo.
Hindi, maganda nga yung ginawa niya.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Charot lang, Emi lang.
Si Macarios,
Sige,
kamukha ni
sabay.
Kayo at...
Ishi
Uy,
ko
kamukha
rin.
daw tayo? Dahil sa, balbas? Bigote?
Ay, hindi po ako pumapayag sa ganyan.
Ito yung Chinese na bago ko yung isip, oh. Yan, oh. Nag-comment, Chinese yan, oh.
Ang tawag dito, Kayo, magdebate na tayo.
Anong topic?
Ang tawag dito, yung, ano yun? Yung clothes. Charot.
Gagi? Ano naman?
Hindi, Emi lang.
Ano yun mo naman? Ito, palipasin mo ng mga 2 buwan, tapos ibalik natin yung issue.
Hindi, send ako sa'yo ng proposals, tapos usap tayo. Maganda,
Sige.
maganda yung usapan nyo ni Eddie Boy nung nakaraan eh. Tsaka yung kay, ewan ko
Sino
na,
si Eddie Boy?
si You Will Die.
Yung nakaaway mo nun sa sa round table tapos naglipat kayo sa DevCon.
Oo, yung teka, nanguutos ka na, yung ba yun?
Oo, ayan. Oo.
Yan. oo.
Okay. Okay, sige.
Tapos yung topic nyo ngayon ni Beauty, maganda rin. So, about yan kay Jesus. So, ang pag-usapan natin ay ang free will. Charot.
Freewheeler ka?
Hindi. Alam ko namang hindi ka free will.
Akala ko
Yeah.
freewheeler
Umakyat
ka?
ako dito, Sir Ma, kasi nga nag-topic sila ng free will. And then,
Oo
compatible si Kayo, sabi ko, there is no free will. Iyan sana yung i-answer
Parehas
ko.
kayo eh.
Hindi,
O, ba't mo
compatible kasi
pinaway?
siya.
Pares
Tapos
naman pala tayo.
Hindi, ako kasi hindi ako naniniwala that free will exists.
Oo nga.
Itatanong sana kasi sa kanya na it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. Free will
It
is
is not
just an
real.
illusion. Yeah, it's just like an illusion.
Oo.
Sasabihin ko sana sa kanya. Kasi sa compatibilist kasi, if it is your own volition, you can do whatever you want. You have choices. Pero the thing is, free will does not exist kasi nga 'di ba with external and internal forces you are like you do what you need to do because of the internal and external forces.
So, causal determinist ka rin.
Oo, determinist siya.
Oo,
Yes.
okay.
Tawag dito,
Pares naman tayo eh.
wala ka
So-
Kayo sa TikTok, mga 1 taon namin pinag-usapan ng free will sa Belief Talk.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
Yes, nag-season 100 po kami sa free will.
Flat Earth naman, no?